In this video, we will discuss why Oracle NetSuite is the best for any manufacturing business. Manufacturing Resource Planning (MRP) systems focus on the production process, while Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems focus on the entire business process. NetSuite is a perfect fit for manufacturing businesses because it offers a comprehensive ERP solution with a fully integrated and robust MRP module. The MRP and ERP are 100% true cloud-based solutions. This allows businesses to manage their operations at a lower cost and with greater agility. Furthermore, NetSuite provides businesses with the tools they need to plan production schedules, manage inventory levels, and track the status of orders in real time. This helps companies avoid stockouts and ensure that production runs smoothly. Inventory levels are maintained and customer demand is met. Also, NetSuite is an intelligent solution that can automatically consider various factors, including inventory levels, customer demand, and production capacity, to create an optimized production schedule for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. This helps businesses to reduce lead times and improve their ability to meet customer demand. In NetSuite, the product recall feature is a valuable tool that enables organizations to efficiently and effectively track and manage product recalls. It provides companies with an integrated suite of applications to manage recalls, including tracking affected products and customers, contacting affected customers, and providing detailed tracking of product returns. It also enables companies to define and document the root cause of the recall and provide detailed reporting and analytics. In addition to helping organizations manage product recalls, the NetSuite recall feature also helps them comply with government regulations and industry standards. Nevertheless, NetSuite offers a comprehensive suite of quality management features to help businesses ensure that their products meet the highest quality standards. Product inspection. Businesses can scan incoming products and inspect them for defects or discrepancies. Quality assurance plans allow companies to define and document quality control procedures and requirements. Quality control reports provide companies with detailed information on the quality of their products and processes, enabling them to identify and address any issues quickly and efficiently. NetSuite also offers a range of additional quality control features, such as data collection, data analysis, and corrective action plans, to ensure that businesses maintain the highest quality standards. NetSuite includes many other modules, such as customer management, e-commerce, accounting, HR, procurement, warehouse management, and more, providing a seamless flow of information between different departments. NetSuite can be integrated with other systems, such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence tools, and supervisory control and data acquisition systems. NetSuite is highly customizable. It can be tailored to fit the specific needs of a manufacturing business. NetSuite also provides businesses with robust reporting and analytics tools, allowing them to gain a bird's-eye view of their business and drill down further at any time. NetSuite is a powerful software that helps manufacturing businesses streamline their production processes, manage their inventory more efficiently, and track the status of their orders in real time. With this software, companies can scale quickly, improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase the ability to meet customer demand, which is crucial to maintaining a competitive edge in the manufacturing industry. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our Haya Solutions YouTube channel for more videos.